Hello everyone, welcome back in the new season 2026. The season is not started yet, it's around on the corner. In a few days it will be started, and Sheru is still in the winter storage in a Yamaha dealer place where I bought it. And today I decided to go there to talk to them about the service and which date I will take it back. When it's come back home, there's a lot of to do on the bike, install new stuff on the bike, and just give a little bit update on the coming trip. It will be long and exciting trip, and I hope we will enjoy it together. So now to the Yamaha dealer, let's do it. Welcome back. Now I'm on the way to the Yamaha dealer. It's a promise, maybe 20 minutes to walk, so we will see. As I mentioned before, it's the month of March 2026, and a new season for motorcycle is on the way, but officially it's not open yet, but I can notice some bikers already there riding here there. From last few days there is a lot of rain here, and as a date I didn't come out to go somewhere, but yesterday I decided if the weather is good for tomorrow, so I checked it. It was, as you see, like this, but I decided to go to the Yamaha dealer where I bought the Shiru, to talk to them about the service, to fix the date, and meantime it's good for me to walk there all the way, because I'm in home sitting there in comfort zone all the time. It's not good for health, and the weather is very pleasant, 6-7 degrees, and it's good. Today for the first time I'm using microphone with the 360. It's here somewhere, and I hope everything will be worked as a team. So in previous seasons I had a lot of problem with microphones, but for this season I prepared for maximum, so I switched totally to DJI product. So now I have everything DJI. Teban Metro. Now I'm almost very close to the place, about 1.5 kilometers maybe. Here is the IKEA, you see, IKEA, biggest market in Oslo. They have several places in different cities, but this one is in Oslo, and it's still closed because it's opening 10 o'clock, and I don't think so it's 10 o'clock now. Oh, it's still 9:30, so I'll be waiting there, I think. But some of the workers, they are inside, but they can open the door to the customer only 10 o'clock, but there is a good place to sit, to talk a little bit. You see MC Oslo, but you can't see it now, but I'm already there. There is another one, MC Oslo board, which show the direction where you have to go. And maybe I can wait outside. My first bike, BMW, also GSA, I also shopped here, and Yamaha also T7. But before, everything was here. Now only in this place Yamaha and BMW, Honda and other stuff are moved to another location. But it's the same company maybe same business from the same people. I don't know, it's open already, I think so. This is Oslo. Wow. Yamaha T7. Oh, very nice. See, they changed everything. Wow. This is mine. Wow. For snow. Before they sit here, the people will sit here, and now they moved to another place. I think they have meeting. This, as you see, it's a double tank outlet. Mean, you see, that's all there, I think so. I don't know how. Yeah, it's very heavy. Hello. Ah, you are busy. That's why I say okay. How are you?
Fine.
Good to see you again.
Same, likewise.
Everything is okay?
Everything is
Life is good?
Yeah.
Suspension, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to regulate suspension for myself.
Yeah. Probably.
But I want to do that. Yes, it's one. Second, I want to lower it more a little bit.
Balance it out.
Yeah. This is the same as mine, Ile.
I know it's the standard. You have the low version. This is the standard.
Go inside.
Yeah, sure. This is the standard version, so it's not the same as because you have the lowered version. It's a little bit shorter.
Yeah.
But of course now it's pretty. Now it's not so tall because it's down in the.
I understand. This is also. I have also the same. I think so. Up
Yeah,
here.
yeah, basically the same bike, but it's you have the low version of the same bike. So the only difference is suspension.
You guys have changes, you know, a little bit here. There.
Yeah, we had a water leakage here, so we had to redo the shop. So,
I need the tires for snow. This is good, but I don't know.
this is pretty aggressive.
Yeah, it's this one. If you go to North Cap in the winter, I don't know how much.
Right on the asphalt.
1 minute. These tires is the same tires some we have on the bike.
Yeah, same tires.
This is off-road.
70/30 asphalt gravel.
Oh yeah, okay. Not too much. Not too much off-road, yeah.
Not too much. The ones that I have on my bike is the one's called. Where is it? It's called Trade Max Raid. It's Dunlop. You're welcome to hang around. And we can
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
When I go on my tour, so I will come back to see you first, and then.
Yeah, and love to hear about the trip.
Yeah, thank you.
What an exciting summer.
Yeah, okay. I want coffee. I have to sit there a little bit. So I talked to the service and I put the date 15 of April for the service, and maybe I can take it back home on the same day or the next day if it's possible. And we talked that if weather is good, I will take it. If not, maybe we can wait for the weather when it's good day. Same like today, so I have to take it. So I hope everything will be okay, but service, I think it's very expensive. Service without anything, if it changes, will be about more than 400 euro. It's unbelievable. The parts is not that expensive, but they're taking then time, charging charges, like how many hours and minutes they use. So I think so is that, nothing more, because oil and parts, it's not that filter, I mean, or other parts, it's not that expensive. But what we can do anyway, we have to do it. Then we are free for almost 10,000 kilometers. I hope everything can work. So one more stress is finished. This guy also, I think, picking up the bike, because he's come with the helmet with someone in the car, and he will be taking. And now I'm crossing again the biggest Swedish IKEA market. I have a drone with me, but it's too windy, so I'm not risking to use it. But I had a plan, so in some places on the way, if I can use it, but I don't think so. It's too windy, it will be just flown away. So skip that mission. Before I come that way, now I'm going between the houses. It's just walking path to avoid this noise from the roadside. But anyway, you can hear that from far away in the distance here. I'm entering our area, so almost maybe 200-300 meters, and we are at home. You hear the voices of children in the background. This is the school. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope I will create more beautiful videos, but I need your support. Like it, share with others, and I will be create more videos. And here is our block. So now I'm going inside, then we talk a little bit. So guys, this was all about today. As you watch everything, I just walked from here to the Yamaha dealer. It's far away, almost one way, I think maybe more than 6 kilometers, and back home. So both way I just walk, and it's good for me. So this was all about today. In near future, I will take the Sheru back home and prepare for the new adventure which is on the way. So thank you so much. Like the video, share, and we will see in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.